Let's start making today with spinach. It's very tasty and delicious and healthy. We will add oil in a pan and some coriander, zira and some garlic. Let's cook your garlic. And then we will add some chopped tomatoes and some green chilies if you like chili. And then we will add our basic masalas that are red chili flakes, coriander and zira powder, haldi, garam masala. So these are all basic masalas, and then salt to taste, and just cover your tomatoes ready to cook still, and then just open your lid after 2 minutes and then just mash your tomatoes. Mash, and make a good nice paste of it. So I cut the spinach and wash it carefully and just cover it and then cook and cover this and let it cook for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you will see the water here, and just mix and cover it again for 2 minutes so that it will again cook. You can see the color is changed, it means it's cooked. And then just dry your water without covering it, so you can see it's now dried and it's very easy to cook, and not no much more than 10 minutes. So here our basic recipe is ready to eat. Now you can see the very good and tasty. You can add another thing with that. So just serve it with the roti and rice. With anything you can serve it and enjoy your meal. Bye bye.